flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one in the morning.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you guys the materials and steps that I use to achieve this rhinestone shirt. So I use two different rhinestones for the shirt, and this shirt is my business logo. I have a big event coming up, two big events coming up, and with that being said, I wanted to turn my logo into a rhinestone. So I did that. That was the hard part. Now it's time to actually get everything laid out, get it cut out, and get rhinestones on the template and get it pressed. Okay. What I am doing now is taking my backing off my flock, which is my rhinestone template, and I am placing it directly onto my Cricut mat, and it's going to stick because it's sticky and the mat is sticky. I find this method to be the best method because I used to fight with this flock and this Cricut, honey. I'm telling you, it used to give me a run for my money, but ever since I learned this little trick, let me tell you something, it's game on. So y'all sit back and you watch this video and you're gonna see how easy it is to make a rhinestone shirt. I am a Cricut user. I absolutely love my Cricut. So my Cricut is going to cut my rhinestone template out. Like I said, I have designed it in Cricut Slide software. I exported it to Cricut, and Cricut is going to cut all of the little circles out, and it took about like 27 minutes, not quite 30 minutes. It took like 27 minutes to cut my full design out. Now what I normally do is, because I'm having two separate colors, each color I usually just have the Cricut cut them out separately and I just layer them. But I was being real lazy and I needed this shirt like in 2 days, and with everything else I had going on, I just skipped that step. So, but nevertheless, Cricut cut it all out and it came out absolutely perfect. This is the most therapeutic part of the whole rhinestone thing. Like, it's the peel back and removing the dots from your mat. Oh my goodness, it's so satisfying, you guys. Like, when I tell you it's so easy, I had no clue to this little trick until a good friend of mine told me all about this little trick. And when I tell you it's amazing, that is exactly how my shirt is gonna look. Besides, I'm gonna have two different colors. Anyway, get you a squeegee, get you one corner of that design, and go for what you know. Oh my gosh, so satisfying. Like, I should have left the audio on just so y'all can hear me scraping the mat and the dots popping. So satisfying.
Might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight. Take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting.
This is the part where I am going to use my painter's tape. That is because I did not separate the two colors. I didn't have two templates to layer them, so I'm just tapering off the top part of the top, and I'm gonna taper off part of the bottom, just because these design is going to be one color and the double D's is going to be another color. So with that, I'm just taping it off right at the edge of the top and the bottom of Dee's Design LLC. That way none of the rhinestones don't get in the extra holes.
You waiting, waiting, want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby, baby. Only wanna turn me on and turn me out. Thinking about it now. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Make me out. Leap of faith, cause we so brave to turn around. Give another go. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Baby, oh. Hindsight is 2020. Oh, oh, oh. Take me back, baby. Back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Back, baby. Take me back, baby. You've been so patient, so patient. You wait, want me back, baby. Then take me back, baby. You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. Oh, oh, oh. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap.
Once I have brushed all of my design, all of my rhinestones in on my design, of course it don't get every single hole, but I have this little pin. It's like wax like at the end of it. I'm not even really sure what it is. Anyway, I just know it's for rhinestones and it is amazing. It picks them rhinestones right on up and you're able to go back in and fulfill those holes with ease.
Save it now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care. Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. Never fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa.
When I go with confidence, when I go with roll like hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow. Wind it up all night, baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you tell me what I want, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like one. can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Send it like you're ice in the wristline. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Send it like you're ice in the wristline. Send it like you're ice in the wristline. Bum, 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 bum.
Kan inte ta tillbaka någonting av det jag har sagt. Men om du låter mig förklara.
I finally have all of the holes covered in rhinestone. It looks absolutely amazing. I am ready to press.
Våra spöken ingen enkel grej. Men jag har i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans.
Next, I'm going to take my transfer tape and I'm going to lay it right on top of the rhinestones. That way it keep all the rhinestones in place. So when I place it on the shirt, you know, I don't have no missing rhinestones. It don't shift or get disoriented. It's going to keep everything straight, nice and neat.
Sånt som aldrig borde varit problem. Denna gången vill jag göra om. Vi blir bättre och bättre nu. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one. För jag har någonting med dig, någonting med dig. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one. För jag har någonting med dig.
While my heating press is heating up, we're just going to do some prep work on the shirt. You want to make sure you have a clean shirt. You're going to make sure it is well lint rolled. You want to, what I do is, you don't have to. Some people do, some people don't. I like to fold my shirt and I like to give it a, what I call a pre-crease, pre-press. And the press is going to take the moisture out, and the pre-crease is just going to help me center the shirt. That way, when I get ready to lay the design down, I can get my design center with the shirt. Now that I have prepped the shirt, I have my shirt ruler, and this is just make sure I have like that 3 inch from the neck or 3 finger spaces from the neck, just to make sure everything is lined up and center and straight. I lay my design down and I am going to press it at 325 degrees for 30 seconds, and that's about the base temperature and time you would need for a rhinestone shirt. Also, I place a piece of Teflon sheet on there on top of the transfer just because it's a habit I have, but I do that. It's not required, but it's something that you can do if you choose to. Now that the 30 seconds is up, I'm not going to say that rhinestone shirts is a necessarily cold peel or warm peel. I just make sure that it is at least cool enough so where I can get the transfer tape and pull it back without burning myself, because it is extremely hot. It came out so good, you guys. So good. I'm so excited. It looks really good. I rubbed my hand across it just so that you guys can see that, you know, none of the rhinestones fell off. They didn't shift. Like, everything is in tic-tac shape. It looks absolutely amazing. It looks even better in person. Like, the video doesn't even justify the bling on this shirt. Well, it's over, you guys. Look at it. It looks absolutely amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And to the next time, into the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.